Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Sharma. So today we will discuss a small problem related to the concept of list. So this is one of the data structure in Python programming language. So up to now we discussed the problem related to the concepts of by applying the concepts of input and output based data types and variables and for loop, while loop, nested conditions. So these are all we applied in the problem to solve. So let us apply the concept of lists to solve a problem. The problem name is greater than n. So here they have given the first line of input will be contain an integer. So there will be one integer. So the output should be a single line containing the list with elements greater than capital N. So they have given already a list. According to the problem, they have given already a list. In that list we have to print if the input is greater than that number, so we have to print those numbers in the new list. Here is the explanation. For example, if the given number is 50, your code should print the list of numbers that are greater than 50. So let us move on to the code once. So here the given list is num list is equal to 1, 6, 93, 71, minus 20, 30, minus 90, 50 is the list. They have given the list. So here the input should be, here given the input is 50. So in the list iterate the list, iterate on the list. So 1, 6, 32, 93, 71, minus 20. So let us iterate them. So first the input should be, what should they given as input? 50 is the given as input. So here I am iterating for num in num list. So if num is greater than a, so the first iteration is 1. So 1 is greater than 50, so it is false. And next again go to the up. Next iteration 6 is greater than 50, so it is wrong. And next third iteration 32 is greater than 50, it is false. Next fourth iteration, next 93 is greater than 50, so it is true. And then I am appending list A. I am appending num to a list A. So here I am creating an empty list. So list A is equal to empty list I am given. So I am appending the num which is greater than this given input. So then I am appending to the list so that it will made easy. So the output should be 93, 71, which is one example. And next take the minus 45 in same cinema. Num list is equal to 1, 6, 32, 93, 71. So iterating on list. Then we will using the if condition, and we are adding the numbers to the list A, and we are printing the list finally. So let us try once. For example, if we can give 50, then the output should be what? So the output should be 93, 71. So it will be true. And next we will give, for example, minus 45. So the output should be here 1, 6, 32, 93, 71, minus 20, 30, 50. So these are the another example. So let us submit the code. What should be the output? So it passes 5 by 5 test cases. So these are 5 test cases, and there are some more test cases. So this is 5 test cases are passed. So here let us go to the one's description. Here is the 1, 6, 32, 93, 71, minus 20, 30, 50. So it is also correct. So this is the one approach of solving the problem. So there are so many methodologies to solve this problem. This is one type of methodology. So this data structure lists are very important. List is very important. It is very important.